Early July in Provence is always magical. The lavender fields around Valensole and l'Abbaye de Sénanque were already partly harvested this year, so the colors weren't the deep purple you usually see in photos. But the fields were still glowing in soft violet, warm light, and that unmistakable Provence charm. Even with the early harvest, the scent, the scenery, and the atmosphere were beautiful, and worth every moment. Come wander through Provence's lavender fields with me. Let's go. Allons-y. The lavender fields of l'Abbaye de Sénanque spread out like a quiet violet carpet in front of the centuries-old stone abbey. Even in early July, with the harvest already underway, the rows still hold a soft purple glow. The abbey rises behind them. Simple, serene, and timeless, its limestone walls contrasting beautifully with the lavender. The scent is noticeable without being overpowering. It's one of those places where the landscape and the architecture blend into a single, peaceful scene. L'Abbaye de Sénanque is a 12th century Cistercian monastery tucked into a quiet valley surrounded by its famous lavender fields. The stone buildings are simple and peaceful, built for silence and prayer, and they haven't changed much in centuries. The abbey feels calm and timeless, a small secluded corner of Provence that still looks and feels like the past. Valensole's lavender fields feel endless. Soft violet rose rolling over the hills under the July sun. Even with the early harvest, the color still stretches out in wide, gentle waves. The air is warm, the scent is light, and you can hear bees drifting from row to row. It's a simple, peaceful place that's easy to slow down and take in.
December, reminiscent, all the good things. Was it better than I ever thought it was? No, I want more of love. I let you believe I casually lie, though I've never lied to you. I never do. Believe I'm the only one
Valensole is not all about lavender. In summer, sunflower fields light up the landscape too, creating beautiful waves of gold under the sunny Provence skies. It's calm, open, and effortlessly beautiful.
I never said I am flawless. I've made mistakes on my own. Cold December, reminiscent. All the good things, was it better than I ever thought it was?